Hello. In this video, I show how to recover individual files or folders from a Proxmox VE backup with NAKIVO Backup and Replication. For a start, make sure you have a successfully completed backup job for Proxmox VE to use for recovery. To learn how to create a Proxmox VE VM backup job, we've linked a video in the top right corner. To start recovery, select the backup job, then go to Recover and click Individual Files. The File Recovery wizard opens. First, you should select the VM that you want to recover the files from. In the right pane, select the recovery point, which can be incremental or full. You can choose to display the recovery points in the table or calendar view. You can select the day when the backup was made and see how many recover points were created that day and the types of recovery points. Let's go back to the table view and choose a recovery point, for example, a full recovery point made on September 17th. Click Next to continue. At the second step of the wizard, 3 recovery methods are available. With the first method, the recovered files are downloaded through the web browser or sent via email. You can select a proxy transporter if needed. With the second method, you can recover the file by sending it to the original or custom location by mounting a backup image to the target server. We select the recovery server. If the IP address of the recovery server cannot be detected automatically, you should enter the IP address or hostname manually. If a custom port is used for SSH, you can change it by selecting the Use Custom SSH Port checkbox. You need to use the administrator or root password credentials. Also, you can use a VM agent if installed not to cache the credentials for better security. Another way is to manually select a proxy transporter to mount the backup image to and then perform recovery. You can select our proxy transporter from the list of available transporters. After that, you have to enter a server IP address or hostname. Check the SSH port, which you can change if needed. The VM agent option is still available if you need to use this option. The third recovery method is to use a shared folder as the destination for file recovery. You can choose a proxy transporter, for example, to initiate the connection to this shared folder, which can be via the NFS or SMB protocol. After that, I enter the path of the shared folder. Use the credentials of the account that has enough permissions to write data to the shared folder. In this demo, I show the easiest method, which is downloading the files in the browser. Click Next. The volumes, hard drives and partitions are discovered. For example, I select partition 1 under hard drive 1. I will discover the files and folders. Let's say you need to recover this file specifically. You can select each file individually. Click Next. Then select Download in the drop-down list and click Recover. A zip file is downloaded in the web browser. You can click the file and see that this archive file already exists in the directory specified for downloading. You can extract the archive contents from the zip file. And this concludes our video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, and subscribe to our channel to catch new uploads. Download a free trial version of NAKIVO Backup and Replication using the link in the description and try the solution in your own environment for 15 days.